Today I am going to demonstrate JTech Digital Unlimited HDMI Extender Matrix Switch. For this demonstration, we have two video sources. One is Apple TV, this glossy box. The other one is Chromecast, a tiny round disc. So we have two transmitters, connected to two sources. These two transmitters use standard IP protocol to transmit data. From each transmitter, comes an Ethernet cable. The cables are going to our JTech Digital Gigabit network switch. This network switch is customized and optimized for JTech Digital HDMI extender. Now let's talk about this smart network switch. On the right side of switch, there are four cables coming out of the switch. They are all Ethernet cables. The first three cables are about 200 feet long. They are connected to three receivers. And for each receiver, there is a HDMI cable going to TV. That means, we have three HDMI receivers, and we have three displays. The blue cable on the rightmost side is going to a laptop. The laptop can log into the web interface and modify the settings. Let's take a close look of two inputs. Port 1 is Apple TV. Port 3 is Chromecast. And we have three outputs. Port 14, Port 18, and Port 20. This is our smart network switch configuration menu. So as you can see, here is the table that defines port-to-port transmission. You can see here. We renamed Port 2 to Apple TV, and Port 3 to Chromecast. Apple TV is transmitted to Port 14. Chromecast is transmitted to Port 18 and Port 20. Now I'm going to switch Port 14 to Chromecast. Switch Port 18 to Apple TV. Click OK to apply changes. Let's see what's gonna happen. Now you are going to see the screen change on the two TVs on the right side. That's because they are connected to Port 14 and 18.
I hope this video has been helpful and informative. Thank you for watching.